Good morning children, welcome to maths class. So in the previous class we discussed how to draw the hands of the clock. Okay, so here now observe 9.12 children. So in the previous class we completed 9D. So first observe 9.12. Observe a clock at your home or school. At what time do the hour hand and minute hand rest on top of each other? So what's the given question children? So once observe your clock at your home. So at what time do the hour hand and minute hand rest on top of each other? Means in what time the hour hand and minute hand stand at same point children? So in what time the hour hand and minute hand at same point? If you observe the time children, so if you observe here hour hand and minute hand at same. So in what time here? At 12 o'clock. Okay. Okay children, if you observe the clock at your home or school at 12 o'clock, the minute hand and hour hand at the same point. Okay. At what time the minute hand and hour hand at same point children? At 12 o'clock. So write here 12 o'clock. Okay, 12 o'clock. Next, look at the pictures. At what time do you usually perform these tasks? Write the time in the box and draw hands on the clock to show the time. So what I do? Sleep. So where you are going to sleep children? What time is it? You are going to sleep at morning 7 o'clock? No. So we are going to sleep at night 9 o'clock. Am I correct children? 9 o'clock. So I am going to sleep at 9 o'clock. So you are going to sleep at 7 o'clock means you have to draw 7 o'clock time. So I am sleeping at 9 o'clock. No, so I am drawing here hands. So 9 o'clock means where the hour hand points at children? 9 o'clock means hour hand at 9. Okay, 9 o'clock means hour hand at point 9. Okay, so draw our hand. Now minute hand at what point? Minute hand at 12. Okay, minute hand at 12. Now what's the time now children? It's 9 o'clock. Okay, it's 9 o'clock. Next, it's playing. So when you are playing children, we are playing at early morning or evening? We are playing in evening. Okay, we are playing in evening times. No, so in what time you are going to play? At 4 o'clock. Okay, 4 o'clock. So means 4 o'clock means, so at 4 o'clock no children. So now draw the time of 4 o'clock. So in 4 o'clock means where the hour hand points at children? 4 o'clock means hour hand at point 4. Okay, hour hand at point 4 and minute hand at 12. Okay, now it is, what's the time? It is 4 o'clock. Okay, we are going to sleep at 9 o'clock and we are going to play at 4 o'clock. Okay, so now turn the next page. Days of the week. So what is Ramu doing in the picture? Discuss with your partner. Okay, what is Ramu is doing in the picture children? He is going to school. Am I correct? He is going to school. So do you go to school every day? Actually we need to go to school every day, but some of them not coming. No, but write tick S only. Do you go to school every day? Due to corona you are not coming, but actually in the regularly we are coming. No, so tick S. A week has 7 days. Yes children, we know that. How many days in a week? 7 days. Okay, how many days in a week? 7 days. On some days of the week we go to the school. On the other days have holidays. Okay, in week on some days we are going. On some days is holidays means Sunday. Sunday you are going to school children. You are coming to school. No, why? Because Sunday is holiday. Next, the days of the week. So how many days in a week? 7 days. So first one, Monday. Monday after Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, how many days in a week? 7 days. And what are they? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so the day from Monday to Friday are called weekdays. Okay, the day from Monday to Friday are called weekdays. Saturday and Sunday are called weekends. Okay, these days comes last of the week. No, so these two are called weekends. Okay, what are the weekend, children? Saturday and Sunday are called weekends. Why? Because these 2 days comes end of the week. No, so these are called weekends, and remaining Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are called weekdays. Next, Monday is the first day of the week. Yes, children, Monday is the first day of the week. What comes just after Monday? So what day comes after Monday, children? Monday after Tuesday. Okay, right? Tuesday. Monday after Tuesday. What day comes just before Thursday? So what day comes just before Thursday? Thursday before Wednesday. Okay, Thursday before Wednesday. So write here Wednesday. Next, which is the day that comes in between Friday and Sunday? So which day comes between Friday and Sunday? So a day it is Saturday. Okay, Saturday comes between Friday and Sunday. Okay, Friday and Sunday. Okay, children, so now everyone open your companion. So a week has how many days? A week has 7 days. Okay, so now open companion, page number 91, children. Draw the hands of the clock to match the time in the sentences. Okay, draw the hands of the clock. Deepa and Ramya go to the park at 4 o'clock in the evening. So now means what we have to draw here? We have to draw the time of 4 o'clock. Okay, children. So 4 o'clock means where the hour hand at? Where the hour hand? So our hand points at 4. Okay, our hand points at 4. Okay, our hand points at 4. And where the minute hand? Minute hand points at 12. Okay, minute hand points at 12. Now means this is the 4 o'clock. Okay, this is 4 o'clock. So 4 o'clock means our hand at 0.4 and minute hand at 0.12. Okay, children. Next, the class test starts at 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock means how to draw the time of 10 o'clock? In 10 o'clock means draw our hand at 0.10. Okay, our hand at 0.10 and minute hand at 0.12. Okay, our hand at 0.10 and minute hand at 0.12. Okay, children, here remaining 2 is there. So remaining 2 you have to do homework. Okay, so remaining 2 you have to do the homework and send to me. Okay, this is about today's class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.